I'm very, very thankful to Dr. Porwal and Dr. Snehal, Dr. Chanchal for coordinating everything, and the entire staff. They were really, they had so much empathy, and in everything they were like supporting me, helping me, always following up, see everything is okay. Even with my father's condition, he always talked to me and checked with me if everything was okay. So I'm really thankful. So if there's anyone, I will highly recommend this place for anyone. If you find someone, other Canadian who's asking, just connect him or her to me. I'll let him know how easy and very the smooth process was. Thank you so much.
It was super smooth for all of us. Normally that's not the case with fistulas. But since you were here at the right time, you could heal in like fastest duration, like 5 to 6 weeks is the fastest.
Okay, hi, I'm Malsha. I'm from Canada. Last year in July, I had a perineal abscess and I got it drained in Canada. So everything was fine for a couple of months, but then my wound didn't heal completely. And when I did an MRI back in Canada, I got to know that I have a perianal fistula. But I was not offered any proper treatment options or surgery options in Canada. Then I started my research and found out about the Healing Hands Clinic, and this year I got the opportunity to come to Pune, and I got my chance to meet Dr. Porwal, and I'm happy to say on the same day that I had my consultation, doctor did my surgery, and from the first day onwards I was feeling much better and having a very smooth recovery. After the surgery, they had superb post-operative care. I was not feeling any pain or anything. I was working full-time, traveling and doing all my day-to-day stuff as usual. After the surgery, on my first follow-up checkup, I was told that all my internal wounds are healed, and today is my 5th week. I'm completely healed. I'm very thankful to Dr. Porwal and Dr. Snehal, Dr. Chanchal, and the entire Healing Hands staff to the superb service they gave me, and I highly recommend this place to anybody else who's having similar problems. Just come here and get the treatment done and get your life back.